The 2016 Dangyang explosion was an explosion that occurred at the coal-fired power plant of Dangyang Power Generation Company located in Dangyang, Hubei, China on the 11th of August 2016 at 15:20 local time. It initially killed 21 people and injured 5, 3 of them critically. Events. The explosion involved a high-pressure steam pipe, which had burst and began leaking during a debugging process for the unfinished power plant. On the 13th of August, it was reported by the State Administration of Work Safety that the death toll had risen to 22. The explosion also caused the power plant and nearby companies to close and prompted a work safety overhaul to be launched in the city.